Dear friend, as the curtains of 2020 come down, I'm sure you already have planned something, what you want to accomplish for next year. Or you are in process of deciding or taking some decision that what is something that you want to accomplish next year. Now, some of you would like to basically reduce weight. Some of you might want to start a new business. Some of you would like to grow in your career. Some of you actually might look forward to change the career path completely. But I would like to tell you something very interesting. I'm not trying to discourage you, but I would tell you that only 10% of people actually succeed what they want to accomplish in the beginning of the year when they set their new resolution for themselves. There is a fundamental reason why. Now I'm going to tell you 4 things which are very important to keep in mind and to practice, which is actually going to help you accomplish what you want. Number 1, most important thing is that have clarity and purpose in what you want to accomplish for yourself. That is one of the most important thing that you need to have. Have a picture of where you see yourself in end of next year, right now, because that picture should inspire you and drive you to take action. Number 2, understand your core values. Understand what drives you. Because if you know what drives you, you are going to be in a path which is going to help you understand that exactly what is going to make you happy from within. That is the most important thing that you should drive. Not just running behind something what others are doing, you also try to run behind them and see what they are accomplishing. And finally, you don't feel good about yourself. Number 3, understand your belief system. Understand your codes that is running in your subconscious mind. Because there are some codes which might impact you to not accomplish what you want to. There could be some codes which are not going to help you. You got to rewire yourself. You got to rewire in terms of how you can build some codes for yourself which is going to help you. Your belief system that has to be really in alignment to what exactly you want to accomplish. Number 4, last but not the least, extremely important thing is that you got to take action. You got to take action because no battle is won without taking action. Take charge of yourself and see how you can plan it. Now don't over-engineer, over-plan things. Because what I've observed is that people say that I'll start tomorrow, I'll start next week, I'll start next month. They try to over-plan it for perfection. Don't actually look at perfection. Get started. Because when you start, you will know where you are falling behind, and you will learn from the mistakes and you will overcome all that, whatever comes your way. And you're going to achieve it. Now my role as a transformation and a performance coach is to help my clients achieve what they want to. I help them get absolute clarity in what they want to accomplish through a process. I help them understand their core values. I help them understand how they are wired, because I work with them to change their wiring, because they rewire themselves. Now that is the most important thing, that how I move forward with them to help them in the journey to be successful. Now, I extend my hand out to you to hold my hand and take your journey forward so that you don't falter in between when you're on a mission to have something achieved for yourself by end of next year. Thank you so much. I wish you and your family a very happy new year. Keep rocking.